Hello everyone. Now we will look through the Edeon 100 application for English-speaking users. The possibilities of the application is endless, and we will just look through the main ones. For example, here is the games base, which has the database of games. It's really huge, like 500,000 of games. See, more than 500,000 of games. We can choose any and load it to the program. Here on the right you will see all the moves, and you can work with it, run the analysis, and you can see in the window of the right the comments of moves. Here is the debit database and Endspiel database. The letter T means that it's theory games. The big dot is secret variants. For example, 1923 theory, and we go to here and see what's happening here in Super Base. We have 68 matches of this move in books, but let's pick another debut. So, for example, here it's playing with King's Row, and we can play by ourselves in Edeon, or we can just connect another application like King's Row. So here we can choose Edeon on the bottom for whites, and it will play by itself with King's Row. Two applications are playing with each other. And here you can instantly see the matches from the games database, which moves have been played in games all over the world. Here you can select any player and see his games. For black is Ton Siegebrands, and whites is world champion Boomstra. So let's show another game. Again, you can see all the commands. All the moves. And all the books, 181 books from Super Database. Let's see the ones that are translated to English. If you press this button, you can see it in English. You can see the moves and read the commands, and go back here by pressing an arrow to the game log. And you can put your own comments here, like like this. You can insert diagrams. There's a lot of possibilities, and you can save it to either as Word document or as a game record. There are many formats available. So you just choose a word and name it and save. So we have this saved to Microsoft Word. Let's see another option is set up position. You can set up any position here. So let's put 4x4 and see what we have in 4x4 database and endgame. And we can see all the results for all the moves. We can see which of them are winning. Edeon is always using this endgame database in its calculations. We can add like a couple of more checkers and see analysis. And let's cancel this. Put Edeon here, and it will analyze. And we can select any move, and it will analyze it. And all the strongest moves are brought to the top of the table. And here you can see that whites are already winning one checker. If it's more than 100, it means that one checker is taken. So that was the analysis. Now we can see the speed of how many positions per second, how much time it spent, how many positions it analyzed, and what is the principal variation, and the depth of 22 moves up front. Edeon also has many possibilities for training and education, and especially for working on international drugs as a professional player. You can play for the category, starting from the junior to the grandmaster. You can play just with a partner for score. If you play by category, by the way, you need to win 4 games. Let me show you. So let's play for Grandmaster category. And we play, and the program answers. And to make the category of Grandmaster, we need to win 2 games from all 4. Let's see what else we have here. We have engine, which means we can play with different engines, with other programs. Let's cancel it. Now we can see like Mobidam, Scan3, and many other programs. You can see on the website how you can connect to Scan3 and where to download it. And also we have miniatures. Here you only have a demo version 2x2. You can choose number of checkers, how much of them kings, combinations. These numbers need to be the same. So here you just solve it and just take a new one and solve it again. Just like mini puzzles and combinations. So let's play a new game, and we can see that at the starting position the most popular move is 32-28. 54% of games are played like this. 76,000 are won of games. 131 are draw, and 85,000 are lost with this move. And we have the statistics of all the moves available from current position. Let's see the Kehler debut. Let's put the variant. We can even play here. Put autoplay. You can always see the moves from the library, and comments and log. And always in the super base you can always see the books. So we have the position, we press number 1 here, and we go to books on English, color system, and here yellow we see the current move and what options do we have. This option is very popular and you can see why. And next continuations of it, or this one, and you can see all the variation and understand what idea it has behind it. So that's all for today. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.